Hello, I'm Margaret Meier de Cox, and I would like to welcome you to this first in a series of training tutorials called Mastering CSS3. CSS3 is the latest update to the Cascading Style Sheet standards. In this first video, I'll introduce you to CSS3. We'll take a look at how to deploy CSS3 in today's projects, and we'll begin digging into the specification by taking a look at the new CSS3 selectors. In this first part of the video, we will take a quick look at the history of the CSS specs, just to gain insight as to what the status is today. We will look at an overview of the features and capabilities added by CSS3 and resources you can use to gain even more information. We will also evaluate strategies for deploying CSS3 on your websites and applications today. So let's take a look at an example of browser differences and using the Modernizer JavaScript library to detect differences and assist us in browser support. Let's take a look at sample file 1, Detect with Modernizer. Before we look at the code in this file, I'm going to go ahead and bring it up in a browser window. So I'll bring it up here in, say, Google Chrome. And what you can see is we have a file, it's got a nice background image, and we have 3 boxes created with divs, and each one has a transparent background that allows part of the image to show through. And actually there's a difference we'll look at when we look in the code. The main div has a border that's normal opacity. The 2 subdivs have a transparent border as well. The child and sibling selectors, while some of them are not new, are greatly underutilized when you consider their power. Let's take a look in our demo at how you can use child and sibling selectors as well as attribute selectors to enhance code. So for this demonstration, we're going to take a look at a mock-up page for Heirloom Gardens. Here we have a list of text with headings and paragraphs. We also have a number of links to PDF files and Word files and one link that goes off the website to Wikipedia. So let's look at how we can use our attribute selector to modify those without changing the HTML and without having tacky little parentheses with words there. So I'm going to close this browser and take a look at the code. Our links all end with the .pdf that we were discussing earlier in one of the